It's me, Bianca. I'm going to be capturing fireworks since it's the 4th of July. And as you see, guys, we have no fireworks. I'm holding really hard on my phone. I don't want it to fall. I see we don't see any fireworks now. I do hear them, but there's none, so I'm gonna pause it.
Wait, what?
Hey guys, it's me, Bianca. I heard some. Nice. I heard the fireworks.
3, 2, 1.
What the heck? They're so little.
Yeah, they are. Wait, zoom in. Hey guys, it's me, Pixar here for us, and I'm here recording. How does this? Fireworks? Since it's the 4th of July, so I'm recording it, and
Oh no, they
that was a
stopped.
little bit since I saw.
No, they were long. Go hold them really tight. I hear them, but
they're looking out the window with our phones.
I'm
And we're
hearing them.
really terrified they might fall.
No, I'm the one. I have butterfingers. Whoopsies. So yeah, I do not have a falling proof case. So yeah, you can just make it fall down there. So I don't hear any. So guys, I'm gonna have to pause it here. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back.
We found some fireworks
And it's
right before I said it, we found some fireworks. Why you do this to me?
So excited for you. My phone's gonna fall. Oh my gosh, guys.
Why? Right after I said we found
How
some
much
fireworks.
How much fireworks have you catched in your video?
Just 4.
I guess like 10 or 5.
Goodness
Bye
gracious.
guys, I'm gonna pause it. Hey guys, I'm back and I saw firework. I hear them, don't you?
Okay guys, I am back because my sister heard some fireworks. Even though the fireworks makes like this sound.
But yeah, I heard some and I saw the white one right there.
Okay, you just take your phone out. I'm gonna reach
My phone's gonna fall. There's nothing there.
Oh my god, I can't keep my phone in there for that.
This is what I see. Some dumb cars.
Maybe why don't we instead of throwing it out the window, instead of keeping it out the window?
What do you say?
Why if we hear fireworks, we can go and check out all the kitchens and stuff. Instead of making our
Let's go in the room. Let's go in the room.
yeah, instead of making our phones go out the window. Let's see if there's any. Open the window up. Open the window up.
You open it. It's raining.
Okay.
I'm gonna go record from over here.
Tell me.
So yeah, guys, we're out the window. Look, car. I'm really scared. My phone's gonna. Please don't fall. Oh, yeah. Fuck this man. F you. Oh gosh. There was amazing fireworks. Guys, there's fireworks shooting from over there. I hear them, but yeah. So yeah, I'm seeing. Oh, what the? They're scaring me. They're making me go crazy. They're going crazy.
Where is it?
No, yes, heard one go that.
Oh, it's over there. It's over. Oh no, that was just a plane. They sound like gunshots.
Those are not playing.
Those are the fireworks.
Come on, guys, more fireworks. We need to subscribe.
Make some fireworks over here, guys.
Two people are outside. Oh my gosh, I see some over there.
Oh.
My phone almost fell. Guys, look at it. It's moving. They keep on shooting. Look at it. It like keeps shooting. I would just keep filming this one. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where did it go? Where the hell did it go? What the beep are you doing? Caesar's house. This is not Caesar's house, I mean Joseph's house. I'm holding on tight to my phone. Guys, I'm gonna go to the room. Never mind, I'm gonna stay here. I don't want you guys to like dig wire. I'm gonna like zoom in, guys. Guys, I need to get close and closer. Well, guys, we don't see no more, so. Oh shoot! That scared me. My phone was gonna fall off the edge. So I hope you guys loved this video, and I'll see you guys next.